Are you wondering how to cheat on AWS Certifications exam in 2024? If yes, this video is the answer. Welcome to Proctored Exam Tricks. Today in this video, we are going to discuss how one can cheat on any AWS certification test without being caught. If you are looking for help in cheating AWS certification exams, you can directly contact examrabbithelp@gmail.com or find the link in the description to fill out the student help request form. Before going into the details of cheating on AWS certifications, let me elaborate on what AWS certification is and which certifications AWS offers. AWS certifications are formal recognitions provided by Amazon Web Services to validate an individual's expertise in specific cloud roles and technical areas, to establish and validate the holder's proficiency in AWS cloud technologies. AWS offers AWS certified cloud practitioners, certified developers, certified solution architects, certified data engineers, advanced networking, data analytics, and many more. The next question that arises in everyone's mind is how to cheat on AWS certification exam when it is proctored. All Microsoft certification exams are proctored by Pearson Vue, which means the whole session is protected by Proctor. We can bypass Pearson Vue with the help of our expert technicians. We guarantee a 100% safe bypass to Pearson Vue. One may ask, is it possible to cheat on AWS certification exam without being caught when the webcam is on? The answer is yes. With the help of our technicians, you can easily cheat on any AWS certification without being caught when webcam is on. Our tools are 100% safe and guaranteed, and Proctor cannot detect the presence of these tools. Many students search on Google for the AWS certifications cheat sheet and try to find the practice questions. But what if you can hire someone to take AWS certification exam for you? In the era of technology, you can pay someone to take your AWS certification exam for you. A most important question that arises in everyone's mind: is it safe to cheat on AWS certification? The answer is a big yes. It is a 100% safe method because the software installed cannot be detected by the Pearson Vue check-in system, and no one can detect any presence. There may be other methods to cheat on Pearson Vue exams, such as using a cell phone or making tiny notes. However, it's crucial to recognize that these tactics come with significant risks and could easily be detected by vigilant proctors. Pearson Vue employs stringent security measures to ensure the integrity of its exams, so cheating on Pearson Vue is only possible by the technical expert method. How to get help to cheat AWS certification exam after bypassing Pearson Vue. You can contact us at examrabbithelp@gmail.com or fill out our student request form by clicking the link given in the description. You can visit our website examrabbithelp.com to check our services, and to check our excellence, you can visit our exam score gallery, which is just a short glimpse of our excellence. We have tried to answer all the questions regarding how to cheat on the AWS certification exam 2024. You can ask in the comments section if you have any queries about this topic. Thank you for watching.